Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting required documents and initiating the application right away. Have your original ID and one photocopy ready. These prove ownership and identity. Once done, confirm the RC copy and vehicle identifiers, chassis and engine numbers, so the clerk can verify details quickly. Make sure you have the current insurance policy and emission certificate. They prevent delays. Finally, complete Form 20/21 or the online application and pay the fee, because submitting an incomplete packet stalls the whole process. You submit the application at the RTO or upload documents on the transport portal. Choose the fastest channel available. Then the officer conducts verification, physical inspection of chassis/engine numbers, or remote checks if you used online upload. Anticipate a photo or biometric step. Once verification clears, pay the required road tax and processing fees via challan or online payment and obtain an official receipt. Keep that receipt and the acknowledgement slip handy. They serve as temporary proof while the RC book is processed. You will either collect the physical RC book from the RTO or receive a digital copy by post or email. Monitor the dispatch notification. When you get it, immediately verify every entry: owner name, address, registration number, vehicle make, and engine/chassis numbers. Errors can cause legal trouble. If issuance is delayed beyond the stated timeframe, check the application status online and contact the RTO with your payment receipt and acknowledgement. Persistence and the receipt usually resolve most holdups quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.